Good day, everybody. My name is the Dip Collector. I'm an admin of the Mickey Be Fresh Patreon group. I'm going to make a little video recording in which I'm going to explain to you and show to you how to find the wallet address of an NFT. It might be a good idea that if you use your NFTs as an avatar on Twitter, Discord, or on Telegram, that you keep your NFTs in a separate wallet as you do the rest of your funds, like your Songbird now, or in the future, even your Flare. These blockchains that we are using are open public ledgers, and all transactions are traceable. And that might be the reason that you don't want them in the same wallet, as people can see what funds you're holding, which transactions you're making, how much Songbird you're wrapping, etc., etc. So we're looking at this NFT here. It's a bazooka chick. I'm going to look at some of these features, and I'm going to select these features in the rarity sniper. And that way I'm going to narrow the amount of NFTs down that the rarity sniper will show to me. And I will come up with the ID number of this NFT. After that, I'll go to the Sparkle's website, and we're going to find the address of the wallet that this NFT is kept in. So this is a bazooka chick. It's got natural gas hair. It's got an X on the back. It's got a right eye special, which is a big ruby. And what else does it have? It has this green diamond skin. So let's go to the rarity sniper. Let's see. Let's select the weapon first. Here it is, the X. So we already narrowed it down. We're only seeing bazooka chicks that hold an X. Next step is to look at the skin pattern. Green diamond skin. Look, there's only 2 of them that also hold an X. I select it, and here it is. It's the number 1510 is the ID number of this NFT we're looking for. So let's go to the Sparkle's website. I type in bazooka. It will show me random bazooka chicks. I select one. I go to the top of my screen. I'll change the number into the 1510. Excuse me. Here it is, the 1510. I can see the creator address, the owner address. So this is actually the wallet it's kept in. I can click on the address, and I can view all the NFTs this person, in this case me, is holding in his wallet. Well, my connection is a bit slow, and I don't want to bore you with my NFTs, but if you really feel like it, go knock yourself out. So if I click on this address, it will take me straight to the Songbird Explorer. Let's do that. Songbird Explorer of that address. In this case, it's mine. I keep my Songbird and my NFTs separate. So these are some of my holdings. Could be your holdings. Well, I can click on the transactions, the coin history. So this is the reason why you might keep your NFTs and your Songbird in different wallets. If you're in a group and you just don't want people to know what you're holding, what transactions you're making, etc., etc., you might think about setting up an extra wallet. Now, so you already have your NFTs and your Songbird in the same wallet now. The best thing to do would be just to leave the NFTs in the wallet that they're in, open a new wallet, and then send the funds you have first to an exchange, and then from that exchange to your new wallet. In that way, you sort of break the connection, you break the trail from your Songbird to the new wallet. So there's a total separation now between this NFT and your funds. Now, if you want to buy NFTs in the future and you hold your funds in the one wallet and your NFT is still in your NFT wallet, so to say, then you first have to send your funds to an exchange and then back to your NFT wallet. And from that wallet, you do your purchases. In that way, this chain, this connection between these two wallets, is still broken, and people just don't know how much funds you have or what other transactions you're making. So this was this was a short video. It was all I wanted to explain. I hope some people have some use of it, and I wish everyone a good day.